Your guardian angel has a crucial and transformative message for you right now. Currently, you are immersed in a phase of introspection and self-care, a remarkably admirable journey. Some time ago, you chose to embark on this process of deep self-analysis, exploring your actions, thoughts, and fundamentally discovering the true meaning of self-love that permeates your entire existence. This dedication to self-awareness puts you in a privileged position to attract a series of romantic opportunities. You appear to be in a state of intense receptivity, with complete openness to the new and the unknown, ready to embrace whatever destiny has in store for you. You are immersed in a unique and profound energy, navigating these currents with an intimate connection to your emotions. At this moment, your journey of self-discovery reveals an intensely personal healing process. You have been healing long-held childhood wounds and overcoming insecurities that once seemed insurmountable. This internal transformation has allowed you to exude an aura of pure and genuine happiness, attracting the admiration and positive energy of everyone around you. However, even in the face of this significant advancement in your personal development, the healing process continues. The path of human growth is continuous and eternal. Each step forward reveals new layers to explore and more horizons to reach. At this moment in your life, you find yourself with a confidence you have rarely felt before, reflecting the hard work and dedication to your emotional and spiritual well-being. Your self-esteem now reflects a strength that is almost palpable, and this newfound self-confidence is the foundation upon which you build each new day. You have not only progressed in healing your old wounds, but have also begun to set a standard for how you want to live and what you expect from the future. This state of elevated consciousness is a testament to the power of self-knowledge and self-acceptance. You fully recognize your worth and the unique qualities you bring to every environment you find yourself in. With a clear awareness of your virtues, you maintain integrity and honor, never having been the target of scandals or made serious mistakes that weighed on your conscience. This awareness of being loved by God gives you an aura of serenity and confidence that is visibly palpable. Currently, you are in a state of elevated visibility, attracting attention from various directions. However, one person in particular, who occupies your thoughts constantly, has not been communicating as much as you desire. He observes from afar, perhaps waiting for the perfect moment to express his feelings or simply appreciating your presence more reservedly. He may choose to remain silent for now, but that does not diminish the intensity of his interest. This same interest has not gone unnoticed by others, who are now trying to attract his attention, openly competing for his affection. They see potential in him for closeness, while you are focused on your own dreams and aspirations. You are living a period of spontaneity and passion, following your heart and exploring what you truly desire from life, which makes you even more attractive in his and others' eyes. Even in this competitive scenario, he remains fixated on you. Your presence has caused him some stress, as others are also trying to catch his attention. However, he seems more interested in staying connected to you, even if in a more discreet manner. Recently, you have been emanating an energy that many find absolutely irresistible. Your joy of living is contagious, comparable to a piece of paradise on earth. This is the result of your focus on loving and valuing yourself deeply, which has transformed the way you interact with the world around you. This personal transformation not only makes you magnetic in social and professional situations, but also enhances your self-esteem and emotional well-being. However, the person you are interested in shows a remarkable focus on you, which transcends the superficial and reaches the deepest layers of being. He not only thinks of you often but is dedicated to understanding your dreams and aspirations, making a sincere effort to align his hopes and goals with yours. This unique connection you share is reinforced by the authenticity of your feelings, standing out in a scenario where many may choose to wear masks and adopt postures that do not reflect their true intentions. In this environment, he might be a prominent figure, perhaps due to his role in the community or a striking presence that naturally draws attention. His charisma is not just an aspect of his personality, it's an echo of the vibrant energy you also emanate. This mutual energy creates a magnetic field that attracts not only admirers but also those who, unfortunately, might act insincerely in the hope of capturing the attention he dedicates to you. He finds in you a rarity that is hard to replicate. Both of you possess a spiritual harmony that is exceptionally rare, carefully choosing those privileged to be part of your inner circles. Your desire to avoid conflicts and your ability to connect on a deep level were evident from the first encounter, where the attraction was instant and undeniably powerful. This attraction is not merely based on physical attributes, but on the resonance of your souls, which share similar frequencies and perfectly aligned values. Along the path you have walked together, a journey of healing and self-discovery has unfolded, marked by moments of intense personal and spiritual growth. Through a deeply rooted connection, you have both enhanced not only your individual lives but also the way you interact with each other. He, with a clear understanding of his spiritual journey, values the rare depth of this connection, recognizing that the spirituality shared between you transcends the usual, creating bonds that are both sacred and essential. In this relationship, he demonstrates a firm resolution, a willingness to commit deeply, but only with someone who resonates at a frequency similar to his. Despite the many people who may desire his attention and commitment, he remains faithful to the ideal that only someone who shares the same spiritual and emotional values deserves that special place in his life. In this context, you stand out as that unique person, someone who not only understands but also complements and enriches his life experience. Contrary to any previous reputations that might have suggested he avoids deep commitments or behaves as a player, he reveals a completely different reality to you. You have inspired him to open his heart in a way he once considered unattainable. He sees in you a home, a safe haven where he can truly be himself and express the divine goodness that resonates within his being. Your influence has been so profound that it triggered a spiritual awakening in him, leading him to distance himself from confusing influences and to focus intensely on his spirituality, redefining his priorities and choosing with exceptional caution the people he allows by his side. As he undergoes this spiritual transformation, he becomes more selective, placing great value on the quality of relationships rather than the quantity. Your presence in his life is a constant source of inspiration and motivation to maintain this spiritual focus, recognizing that the connection between you is a rare alignment of souls who have found in each other not just a partner but a mirror for their deepest aspirations and dreams. He is deeply immersed in his spiritual journey, and this transformative dedication has led him to refine his choices of companions, selecting only those who truly resonate with his values and worldview. This filtering process reflects an emotional and spiritual maturation that has allowed him to recognize what truly matters in his relationships. Over time, he has discovered that superficial or fleeting options no longer have a place in his life. He seeks something more substantial, something you seem to offer uniquely. The feelings he harbors for you are not only deep, they are transformative, and he feels increasingly connected to you, emotionally and spiritually. From the moment you met, he felt a special connection, something he couldn't identify immediately but that intrigued him deeply. This connection has not faded with time, on the contrary, it has only strengthened as he has gone through his own spiritual awakening. Even in moments of silence or distance, he is constantly aware of you, contemplating the uniqueness of your presence in his life. He is observing, learning more about who you are, even without direct communication. This awakening has led him to realize that, although other options may arise, they do not offer the depth and true connection he finds with you. Now, as he reaches a new level of spiritual enlightenment, he recognizes that alternative options do not compare to what he feels for you. He desires a partnership that is enriching on all levels, emotional, physical, and spiritual. The attraction he feels is not superficial. It is rooted in a deep understanding that you share something exceptionally rare and valuable. Therefore, he is preparing for a meaningful conversation, a step he sees as inevitable and necessary to explore the possibilities of what you can build together. This moment of conversation is not just a formality, it is an opportunity for him to express the intense feelings and authentic attraction he has for you. He is ready to set aside any hesitation, driven by the clarity that his spiritual journey has provided. He now understands that delaying this conversation could mean losing the chance to deepen a relationship that he considers vital to his well-being and spiritual growth. He is no longer interested in maintaining appearances or considering other options that do not lead to genuine and deep commitment. He desires to be with someone who not only understands his spiritual quest but also is a part of it, someone who, like him, values authenticity and depth in every aspect of life. He yearns for a relationship where both can grow together, supporting each other in their journeys and exploring the depths of a truly spiritual and emotional connection. And remember, you are worthy of love and being loved. If you agree, manifest, I accept all the purpose and my destiny reserved by God and the universe. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on upcoming inspiring messages. We look forward to seeing you soon. Together, we will elevate our spirits and create waves of positive energy that will envelop the world. Stay tuned for the next important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe continue to light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.